Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by finding the volume panel, the small bars below price. Once located, focus on the pane header. That's where removal controls live. You do not need to change chart settings first. Right-click the pane header to open the context menu and expose remove options. Make sure the pane is active because Tradingview requires you target the specific indicator pane. If you opened indicators list instead, close it. The direct pane menu is the fastest route to remove volume now. You remove volume by choosing Remove from the pane menu. Select Remove Indicator or Remove Pane and Tradingview deletes the volume instance. If you prefer the toolbar, open Indicators, search for Volume, and click the small X beside the entry. This targets that exact indicator. Once done, the chart redraws and the volume bars disappear immediately. Make sure to remove any duplicate volume indicators if multiple panes exist, because each must be removed individually for a clean chart. You finish by confirming the pane is gone. Zoom or refresh to ensure no residual bars remain. If volume reappears after reload, check your saved layout or templates. You may have an auto-added volume indicator in the template. Remove it from the indicators list and resave layout. If an orphan pane persists, right-click that header and choose Remove Pane. Make sure you're clicking the correct pane, because Tradingview won't remove indicators inside a locked layout without unlocking first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.